Why is competitive analysis important in UX design? Competitive analysis is essential in UX design as it enables us to stay informed, innovative, and responsive to user expectations. It guides us in creating user-centered designs that outperform competitors and drive business success. 1. Understanding user expectations. By analyzing competitors' products and experiences, we gain insights into what users are accustomed to and their expectations regarding usability, features, and overall experience. This helps us align our design decisions with user expectations and deliver a more satisfying user experience. 2. Identifying strengths and weaknesses. Studying competitors allows us to identify their strengths and weaknesses in terms of UX design. By understanding what they do well and where they fall short, we can capitalize on their weaknesses and differentiate our product by offering superior user experiences. 3. Discovering innovative solutions. Competitive analysis helps us stay updated with the latest design trends and innovative solutions in the industry. By observing how competitors tackle common UX challenges, we can gather inspiration and ideas for improving our own design solutions and delivering innovative experiences to our users. 4. Benchmarking against industry standards. Analyzing competitors provides a benchmark against which we can assess the effectiveness of our own UX design. It allows us to compare our product's user experience with that of competitors, identify gaps, and make improvements to match or exceed industry standards. 5. Uncovering untapped opportunities. Through competitive analysis, we can identify untapped market opportunities or user needs that competitors have not addressed adequately. This allows us to tailor our UX design to meet those specific needs, giving us a competitive advantage and attracting users who are seeking a better experience. 6. Enhancing differentiation and positioning. By understanding competitors' design strategies and positioning, we can differentiate our product and create a unique value proposition. This helps us stand out in the market, attract a specific target audience, and establish a strong brand identity through our UX design.